Girl! Girl! Girl!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of where we develop my daughter's awareness of roads and attitudes towards the roads by looking at clips of people that do something a little bit
Cheeky.
yeah, a little bit cheeky, otherwise known, Poppy, as
Naughty.
what's it called? Poppy's
Oh, Poppy's Plonkers, of course.
a plonker. So today's episode we are looking at
Muppets on motorbikes. Wait, what?
Muppets on motorbikes. You're absolutely right, Poppy. So today's episode we're going to do something a little bit different.
Huh?
I'm going to show you 4 clips of people on motorbikes doing very silly things, and you're going to decide with the viewers which one is the biggest plonker, or in this case the biggest Muppet.
What's a Muppet? I thought you meant those.
We saw them in America, didn't we? A Muppet is another word for someone doing something a little bit plonkerish. Right now, Poppy, before we begin, we must go through the legal bit. So, can you read this disclaimer to our viewers?
We here at Poppy's Plonkers Incorporated in no way now or have ever considered everyone on a motorbike to be a Muppet. We love our two-wheeled friends, especially when they are well behaved on short. We love motorbikes and their riders. We do not discriminate
Good girl, discriminate.
against people with less wheels than us.
Amen. There we go, that's the legal bit covered. Put to bed, mic drop. Oh, I need that.
Of course you need that.
Old people, eh? Are you ready for your first clip?
Yep.
So,
We'll put it up on the screen.
we will. I'm waiting at a roundabout here. Why is there no sound?
Because it's on mute, you silly Billy.
Oh, thank you. Ready? See the motorbike there?
Goodness
Overtakes.
gracious me.
Oh, come on, mate. Are you serious?
Do you want to see that again?
Honestly.
Yes, that is it's absolute idiot.
So I'm
He
turning.
literally just went like,
Yeah. So he's
So
he's
fast.
allowed to filter through traffic, but this bit, when I'm moving on, I'm going
he
left,
just went,
and he overtakes me and then cuts in front of
Are
me,
you serious?
and you can hear me. Did Daddy swear? I
for
went,
actual once you didn't.
what do you mean for actual ones? I thought I was very restrained.
I've seen many videos where you've sweared and we had to blurt it out.
Right, so Poppy, I know that's the first clip. I know you'll recognise this next one because you were in the car with me. Do you remember this?
Turn it down.
What's this song?
I don't know. Watch that motorbike there.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Oh, devil.
Whoa, that's a really.
We do, Poppy.
People are just so silly.
I call those two the curse of the Joseph because that's never happened to me. And one of my viewers, Joseph, he's a driving instructor, he sent a video of a motorbike doing a very silly thing, very similar. And then within a couple of weeks, but I had those two happen to me. So we're calling that the curse of the Joseph. So that's number 2. You were there, weren't you?
If I was a police, I'd definitely take those people's license away from them.
Exactly. Right, Poppy, now we're on a dual carriageway, clip number 3. Which side do we overtake on? Do we overtake on the left or the right?
The right.
Good, well done. So we don't overtake on the left, that does include motorbikes. I was with a learner. I'm not talking to myself. Yeah, watch him.
What do you mean? How?
He comes through, look, now goes through.
Oh my god, I almost crashed.
Yeah. And he's overtaken a number of
Yes,
vehicles
he is not
there.
allowed to do that. You are a very smart learner.
She was a very smart learner. Okay, so that's number 3. And let's look for Muppet number 4. Okay, so we're approaching a traffic light. and light's just going red, so me and my learner stop, okay? Do 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 do.
That's it, yeah, well done.
Oh my god!
Honestly, like, red light jumpers.
People just need to slow down.
So he's jumped through a red light, hasn't he? Now what I want you to do for me, okay, we're going to note when the light goes red. So the light's going red. I'm going to pause it. Now. Good job. So can you see the time?
Yep.
14:43 and 27 seconds. Okay. We're going to pause it again when he jumps through the red light.
Nope, you stay there.
Right, so
He went on a red.
we're now on 45 seconds. So he is 18 seconds, is that right? 27, 37. Yeah, 18 seconds that
Yep.
red light was on, and then that Muppet decides to go through a red light. Probably passing through stationary traffic because it's all state he can do that, and then just blitzes on through the red light. So what I want you to do now, Poppy, what do you think the best way of you rating these Muppets on motorbikes are? Do you reckon right now you have a standout plonker?
Every single one.
Every single one. But we've got to put them in some sort of order.
The
okay?
last one
So the last one,
was absolutely
the red light
crazy.
jump. So do you think that's the biggest plonker?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think the next biggest plonker is? Do you think it's the dual carriageway overtaker? Do you think it's...
No, go back.
You think it's that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd agree. So that is your number 2 plonker.
Well, they're all plonkers, and I do not want to put them in unless they all are in number 1, but I have to do it.
And then out of the roundabout ones, so the one you were present
That's
for,
number 3.
that's number 3,
No.
is it? Then you got that one.
That one was number 3.
Yeah, do you know what? I think that's very difficult to say which is the biggest plonker. So you think that
It's
one's
so-
number 3?
Yeah.
And then number 4, our least plonkerish, but still very plonkerish,
Yeah.
was the one you were in the car for, yeah?
I do not want to do this. They're all such a plonker.
They are, Poppy, they are. Okay, so we have our grand award for the biggest Muppet on a motorbike is awarded to this one. What
Yeah.
should we name him?
Absolute Rodney.
There we go. He is called Absolute Rodney.
No, he's called Rodney.
He is called
Because
Rodney.
he is a Rodney.
I agree.
In the comments, tell me who do you think is the biggest Muppet?
Yeah, I'd agree. I think you've rated it very well there, Poppy. So we're going to leave it there for today. We're going to see what people think. Do they agree with you that the red light jumper was the
Yeah.
biggest plonker? Or do they see another's actions as a bit more plunkerish? Okay. But hopefully we can learn from this that we've really got to watch out for vulnerable road users, because they might do silly things and we can still keep them safe, can't we? So if you see on the roundabout clips, we saw both of them nice and early and just made sure that nothing happened. If they take my hedge out again, Poppy, I will not be happy.
The wind is blowing because he agrees with me.
Right, Poppy, it's been an absolute pleasure to be here with you today. Oh, why so sad?
I don't want to leave everybody.
Well, they've got busy lives to get on with, darling.
Okay, goodbye.
Watch the door.
The breeze.